Hola amigos! Today we're going to be submitting our I-1 documentary project. So within the Canvas assignment, I-1 documentary project, please click the Flipgrid link. Alright, it says to record your I-1 DP slides, so make sure you have that open. Here's my exemplar with your narration. So make sure you've practiced and you're ready to narrate your slides. I'm going to click Record a Response and join with Google. Uh-oh, it's me. Hello. All right, I'm going to go to Options and click Record Screen. All right, I'm going to click Start Screen Recording. I'm actually going to get rid of this window down here because I don't want to be seeing myself. Don't want to be distracted. I'm going to choose Chrome tab and I'm going to click the tab that is my slides. So once I click share, it is going to start recording. You can take a second to collect yourself after you click share. You can trim down your video at the end and edit it. But just know once you click share, it will start the recording. All right, so now I'm ready to actually record my documentary. I'm gonna trim everything out up until this point in the editing process. Hola amigos, me llamo Señora Leonard. Bienvenidos a España. Barcelona tiene una montaña. Barcelona tiene un océano y una playa. Andalucía tiene un desierto. Andalucía tiene ríos y el campo. A notable person of Spanish descent is Gina Torres. Torres is an American actress of Spanish and African descent. She has appeared in TV shows such as Suits, Firefly, Gossip Girl, Revenge, and Westworld. Torres won the Alma Award for Outstanding Lead Actress in a syndicated drama series. Una cena típica española es paella. Tiene mariscos, carne, arroz y vegetales. A popular festival in Spain is La Tomatina. La Tomatina is the world's largest food fight, in which participants throw squashed tomatoes at each other. This festival takes place in August in Buñol, Spain. The festival is celebrated by townspeople and tourists alike. No one knows the actual origins, but it is said that it started as a religious event that broke out into a fight. After the festival, there is a huge party. Un artista famoso, Pablo Picasso, un pintor. Picasso was born in 1881 in Malaga, Spain. He died in 1973. One of his most famous works of art is Guernica, which was painted in 1937. Un autor famoso, Miguel de Cervantes. Cervantes was born near Madrid in 1547 and died in Madrid in 1616. He published his most famous work, Don Quixote, in 1616, in 1605, and the second part in 1615. Before becoming a writer, Cervantes served in the Spanish military, where he was injured and kidnapped during his time served. Thank you for watching my documentary. See you soon. All right. So I'm done. I'm going to click stop recording. At this point, you're going to see this crazy screen. I'm going to click the back button. Hello, here I am again. Now I'm going to click next. All right, so I can trim, edit, or add more to my video. Okay, if I click on this bar at the bottom here, you can drag the blue handles to trim. So I want to start right here where my first slide begins, España. Let me start playing, and you can play back the whole thing to hear how you sound. So you can watch, make sure you didn't make any mistakes, make sure it sounds good. And then at the end, you can also trim. I think I do need to trim just a bit at the end. And then you can play it one more time to make sure this is how you want it. So let me play just to make sure I'm ending it correctly. All right, yeah, I want to end it right there. Boom. All right, now I am going to click confirm. All right, if I want to, I can watch it again just to make sure it's perfect. I'm going to click next. I'm going to submit. Success! All right, I'm going to copy the link address. So I just right-clicked on the link, click copy link address to submit my assignment. Let me go to student view real quick so I can show you how to submit. Okay, so this is what you as a student will see. You're going to click submit assignment, website URL, paste the link that you just copied. I also have the option to do a file upload. If for some reason you can't get the link, you can also download the video and upload the file. But the easiest thing to do is to copy and paste that website URL, submit assignment. And we are all done, friends.